It's a cursed puppet. Tried to kill with a knife but got kicked away. Attempted suffocation with a plastic bag, but the mouth was exposed. Failed an ambush hitting the stairs. Set up a crossbow but shot the ceiling. Placed rat poison in front of everyone. Then it was asked to clean up cat litter. Endured humiliation. It wanted to escape this world. The puppet sadly retreated to a small dark room. One night, a group of robbers entered the house, tied up the family. The puppet, awakened by the noise, sprang into action. The robbers stepped on marbles, fell onto towels filled with steel nails, then a plastic bag over their heads. The robbers suffocated and died. The puppet lit a match, used flammable spray, directly roasted the robbers' hands. Then the robbers put their hands into a bathtub with a bread maker and were electrocuted to death. After the ordeal, everyone accepted the puppet. It's a cursed puppet. Its curse only targets bad people.